Hey guys, it's Kate with Chess.com, and I'm here today to show you how to upload a new avatar to your Android app. First, you're going to click on the three lines at the top of the screen. Then you're going to scroll to the bottom where it says Settings, and then go to Account. Here you will see your account information, your first name, your last name, what country you're in, and then there's your profile picture. So you're just going to click on your profile picture, and then you have the options to either choose a new photo or take a photo with your phone. So once you do that, your new avatar will upload. If you have any questions, feel free to find me in the help and support room, or you can write us a ticket at support@chess.com. Have a great day!